Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the actual program file. Don't search the Start menu. Open File Explorer and go to Program Files or the Apps Install folder. Once you've located the exe or launcher, make sure you can modify files in that folder. If not, use an administrator account. From here, you're ready for the single reliable method, creating a desktop shortcut directly from the executable so the OS points to the correct file every time. You now create the shortcut using the only dependable approach. Right-click the executable and pick Create Shortcut or Send to Desktop. If Windows asks for permission, accept it. You may need admin rights. Once the shortcut appears, rename it for clarity and test it by double-clicking. If you want it pinned, right-click the shortcut on the desktop and select Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start. This keeps access consistent. Make sure the path still points at the original exe. You finish by testing the shortcut. Double-click and observe whether the app opens. If it doesn't, check properties on the shortcut and inspect the target field to ensure the path matches the original exe. If the path is broken, recreate the shortcut from the actual executable. Once done, move or pin the shortcut where you want it. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions block creation, run File Explorer as administrator or use an account with Elevate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.